Hello, my friends. What a month it has been. Not only at the Stamps of Life, but everywhere, right? And I have a feeling if your life is anything as busy, crazy as my life, you might have missed something that we released this month at the Stamps of Life. And so I want to give you a quick recap of everything we did this month because I don't want you to miss out on anything. So I want to make sure you see everything. So first things first, we started the month off with our club, the here we go, the Gifts Galore Fold It Club. Now, one little sad thing. If you are not in the Fold It Club, you can't get this one. I don't want you to miss out. Get in on the Fold It Club so you don't miss out. We do not sell these on our website. It's only for the Fold It Club. It's exclusive. And look how awesome it is. So make sure you go check out the Fold It Club if you're not in the Fold It Club because this Gifts Galore is so awesome. And it's perfect for a 5x7 card too. So we started the month with our look at this Beach Time Stamps and Dies. This was our Die Hard and Stamp Club. So much fun. I included 2 dies for the umbrella because maybe you wanted to piece it together with cardstock and maybe you didn't. And I couldn't decide which one to give you. So you know what? I just gave you both, right? I mean, 2 is better than none. So yes, 2 is better than 1 also. So I wanted to make sure you had both of them. So we started the month with Beach Time. And look at how awesome this is. We also had the background die of this that you can see right here, which is so fun. Then we also, oh, here is another one. Look at how awesome this is. That's that background die and the Relax and Enjoy Sunny Days Ahead. Isn't that awesome? I love the largeness of that. It's so perfect. Oh, here's another one. Look at that with that extra little dotted circle in there. I absolutely love that. So much fun with that beach chair, right? It's like, it is time to hit the beach. Let's go now, right? We all need to have a party at the beach. Oh, here's another one, which I absolutely love with our iced drink. I love that. This is our drink cup A2 Fold It. Look how cute that is. And then, are you ready for this one? Because let me just tell you, you will be as happy as a clam if you get this one. Happy as a clam for you. Look at that. Don't you just love the edge cards? They're so much fun and so incredibly popular, right? We also released a new Flip It. Yay. This is an Octagon Flip It. I cannot believe we didn't have one, but look how fun that is. Good day. Also had add-on words that you could add in there as well. So much fun. We also released our cute little hanging monkey. Let me just tell you, I love this little monkey. He is so adorable. And you know what? I'll be honest, just between you and me, there are more monkeys. They just haven't been released yet, but I love them so much. I'm just saying. We also released a 4th of July flag. Look at how awesome that flag is. So much fun. A2 Fold It. So awesome the way it's waving in the air. I love it. I love it. We also released another one of these stamp sets. So this is Family Forever Part 2 because somehow I managed to miss a couple words. So here we go. This has mother, wife, father, husband, hubby, grandmother, Amma, Gramps, Pops, Poppy, Grammy. It has it all. If I missed it on the first one, I got it on the second one, let me tell you. So grab that too. We also released some ribbons, summer ribbons. So make sure you get in on those because this is limited edition. Also, vellum is now on the website. How did we wait so long to get vellum, right? I know. Then we also released, I took this on HSN about 6 or 7 years ago, finally on the website, the Pet Pudgies, and for a limited time, the Country Sunflower Paper Pad. Last but not least, and I dropped it a second ago, Miss You, the wax seal set. These go very quickly, so make sure you get in on this because once this is gone, it's gone forever as well. My friends, what a month. What a month, right? Hold on because next month is going to be even more fun and crazy and wonderful. But make sure you get in on these items because especially the limited edition items, once they're gone forever and I don't want you to miss out. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.